Happy Halloween. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay, imagine there's a spider on your table in front of you. How would you react? Would you smash it? Try to move it off the table? Try to get it towards the window? Put it in a corner of the room? Throw it in the garbage? Run away from the table? All these are normal reactions that humans might have. Today, though, we're going to explore a little closer how spiders may or may not be beneficial to an ecosystem. In point of fact, that's our objective for today. I can complete a CER arguing for or against spiders as a beneficial part of an ecosystem. You'll be basing that on this Newsela article, The Marvelous Misunderstood Lives of Common Spiders. So the first thing on our objective today, on our schedule today, of course, is going to be our introduction right here. And you're going to be reading through the article so that you can make a claim. Your claim will either be spiders are a beneficial part of an ecosystem, or spiders are not a beneficial part of an ecosystem. Typically, your claim is going to be stronger if you can support it with evidence from your source material. Once again, that's going to be this article right here. I'm going to hand those out in a second. There's just a class set, so please be kind to the articles. Then you will have a chance to go ahead and write your claim, evidence, and reasoning. But let's review what those things mean. That's right up here on the board on this side of the room, of course. So, CER, a claim, your argument. You either think that spiders are a benefit or that spiders are not a benefit, and that is based on what you can find in the article. Try to keep your personal opinion out of it because you want to make the strongest argument you can. Classic example that I use will be like supporting a sports team. I'm a Chicago Bulls fan, but the Bulls the other night didn't look so hot against the Warriors. I can't make a strong argument that the Chicago Bulls are a better team than the Golden State Warriors, even though Golden's not a state and that's a ridiculous team name. Personal opinions aside, the Warriors are absolutely on fire and have been for years. If I'm writing an article, my claim would be that the Warriors are a better team than the Bulls, and I've got plenty of evidence to support it. And that's the key here. Evidence, details from the source that support your argument. I can use details from the game that was played on Monday night. The Bulls got their butt handed to them. Warriors blew us out of the water even before the first quarter was over. It was disgusting. I turned it off at halftime. Okay, now that is reasoning, explanation of how the evidence supports your argument. Note, it's not just, it's in the article. That's not an explanation. If I go back to my Bulls-Warriors example, I could actually say, okay, the Warriors outplayed the Bulls. They scored double digits more than us in the first quarter and kept increasing the lead as the game went on. Like I said, I didn't actually finish it. I think we lost like 140-89. That is reasoning that is actually backing up that evidence and relating back to my claim, which, again, I don't have to agree with my claim for it to be true. So, your article today, reading this one right here, The Marvelous Misunderstood Lives of Common Spiders, and then making an argument of if spiders are a benefit or not a benefit to an ecosystem. And in this case, the ecosystem is probably your basement or garage. All right, let's get started on the article.